It's weird that we're having a storm in the morning. Storms usually come in the afternoon. The village people are going about their business like nothing is happening. Nothing really stops them. It's the kind of day you'd want to stay in bed all day. But our stomachs are always asking for something to eat. So I have to brave the cold and the heavy rain to step out and get some food. My neighbor is out in the fields harvesting potatoes. He asked me to pick some for my breakfast. It's cold outside and the village roads are wet and muddy, but it seems the storm just gave way to the sun. And the rain always makes everything look so beautiful. I'm out to go fetch potatoes. The day is warming up. It's time to make some additions to the garden. I'm at the village garden center to pick some strawberries for my garden. It's going to be the first time I grow strawberries in my village garden. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, hoping they will do just fine here. And I will never get enough of flowers. I'm always tempted to pick some whenever I pass by the village garden center. A few days ago, I propagated some pineapple crowns, and today they are ready for planting. The roots are already forming. So together with the strawberries, I'm going to plant them in my garden. I will link up the video of how to propagate pineapples at the end of this video. Please check it out. So I'll be doing this every time I buy pineapples until I have enough pineapples in my garden. It is so easy to propagate. So when planting the crown, just ensure you press it down so that it's firmly held to the soil. This helps it to pick up very fast. On this section, I'll be planting the strawberry seedlings. And from one seedling pot you can always divide it. As long as it has a root attached to it, it will grow into more strawberries. So this is one seedling I bought at the garden center, and this is how I'm going to divide it. And this one gave me 3 seedlings that I'll plant in 3 different holes. So when planting any seedling, always press it down so that the root system is firmly held into the soil. It should be firm so that the root is not plucked by winds or rains. I ended up with so many plants just from 3 seedlings. Let's now make a snack from the sweet potatoes I got from my neighbor. So first you peel the potatoes and then cut them into thick slices. And dip into salty water. We shall fry them in hot oil until they are golden brown. They are crunchy on the outside and very soft on the inside. You can always enjoy them with some fresh juice or some tea. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next. Bye bye.